You can see the chili chunks. Alright, you guys. So we have these jumbo udon noodles. What?
Yeah.
Doesn't this look familiar, you guys? I'm hoping today we can do this Wishful Dumpling house. We're gonna hopefully give it a try, and some kind of tea drink, maybe here, maybe something down over that way. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay? Yeah. Hope so. Doesn't it look good? Soupy dumplings! Alright, so we're here a little early. They open business hours. They open at 11 a.m. But that's because like they have like their dumpling. It's like a dumpling place, and a little bit of DimSum and stuff. And what DimSum is just a large range of small portions of food. And normally it's like a breakfast and a lunch thing. But they also have other types of food, so I think they're more focused on like opening towards like around lunchtime. Anyway, but we're looking here, and look at a Chinese cheeseburger. Oh, there. Can't really see it. But anyway, I thought that was pretty cool to see that. We're gonna check out some of this stuff. We're looking at the menu, kind of get a heads up what we want to order when we go in. So anyway, when we can go in about 15 minutes, we'll be back, you guys. Are you guys ready to go eat? Yeah. I'm hungry. Let's go. Come on. Ready? Alright, so we're going to order here in just a few minutes. We already know what we want. Thank you. So what we're gonna get is we're gonna get the house dumpling, the house soup dumpling.
Yes.
And we got the pork and cabbage dumpling. They did not have the shrimp one. All right.
I want it. I want it.
Look at this. Cucumber salad. Looking yummy. We're gonna give it a try. You ready?
Wow.
I see some little chili spicy flakes on there. Let's see if it's spicy. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Ding.
Yeah.
Mmm. Really crunchy.
It's spicy.
It is a little bit spicy. It's not too bad. It has like a chili oil on there, and it's still really crunchy. Really nice, and it was cold. I like it. Mmm. It tastes like a hint of like sesame oil. I could be wrong, but that's what I feel like I taste. And you can see the chili chunks on there. A little bit of chili flakes. Mm-hmm. Mmm. A little bit of sweetness. I like this a lot. Look at right there. Yeah. Yummy. Mmm. Alright, so they brought, this is the green onion pancake. Yummy. They just brought that out. Looks nice and crunchy. And like a little flaky like type dough. Oh yeah. Yeah. Little flaky dough. Looks really good. Sounds nice and crunchy. See some good amounts of green onion in there. Good thing, because that's what it's called. Oh, yummy. That's the pork one?
Yeah,
pork and
pork
cabbage?
cabbage, yeah.
Okay. All right. Our food is starting to come out. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. 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 Mmm. Mmm. That has a nice crunch to it. Really flaky. I like it. Alright, so this was the pork and cabbage dumplings that they brought out. Looks nice and fresh. Rice wrap. Cheers, you guys. Mmm. Wow. I like that. That is so delicious. Look at that. Mmm. Man. Wow. That is nice flavor.
Yeah, I can taste the pork and cabbage. My rating is yum.
My rating is yum. Wow. I like that. And then chase a little bit of it after that with the cucumber salad. Mmm. Come closer.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is the house special soupy dumpling. Ooh, be careful. There's a little bit of, a little bit of liquid in there. Cheers.
Okay. Oh, it's big.
Yummy.
Yeah.
That is delicious.
Oh, yeah. And it's big, too. We can put... we can put a little bit of this here.
Yeah. Wow, that one's really good. House special, kind of tastes like it had pork in there. Oh, look at that yumminess. There's liquid inside, so be careful when you eat it. It might be hot.
It's not coming out. Here we go.
That's probably going to be spicy.
I know. Okay.
Just right.
Here we go.
It's not like very doughy. I think they do a really good job cooking the dumplings here. I think they're cooked just right. Not too thick. Look how thin. Such a thin layer. Boop. Okay, so we were just inside the Wishful Dumpling house. Pretty yummy. Good place to try. We recommend that place. It was really good. They had the nice fresh dumplings. They made them as you ordered them, and everything was good. So now the next thing we're gonna do is called share tea. We're gonna have some tea. And whoa, you're close. We're gonna go see what this tea place is all about. Okay, so we're in here and we're at the Share Tea, and we're gonna give it a try. And I would like to know, you guys have anything special that you can recommend for your place?
We like the winter melon drinks, so winter melon oat milk, lemonade, but that's just personal preference. The peach kiwi is very, very popular.
Ooh.
And I just like our peach drinks in general.
Peach drinks. That sounds really good and nice and refreshing.
Our top trends from the customers, a lot of people like the classic pearl milk tea. So classic is up there.
Classic is up there?
Our
That's
base
good.
teas have a good flavor, our black and green especially.
Yeah. What can you tell a little bit about what this place is?
Yeah, so basically our franchise was based in Taiwan.
Taiwan. Okay.
That's where most boba actually comes from anyway. And milk teas, the difference between like milk teas and fresh milks, because there's a lot of confusion, is milk teas are made with creamer.
Okay.
And powdered creamer versus fresh milks are made with extra milks.
Oh, nice. Okay.
But yeah, boba's kind of popping up all over.
So the milk teas are like kind of like a creamy.
Yeah.
Yes.
A little creamy, yeah. Okay. I've had milk tea and stuff like that when we go to California. With the little thing that hit around here in America.
Yeah, it's blowing up.
We haven't been able to be out here in Vegas, so I wanted to show what Vegas is starting to have, so people can start coming. So if you guys want to come here, you come to Share Tea in that Shanghai shopping area, or it's like there's a lot of food over here. So come out here and give this place a try. But we're gonna go ahead and order something.
Thank you.
Okay. So you guys ready? You want to order? All right. Okay. So Chad would like the strawberry ice blended, right? Okay.
You can actually have your ice cream on top or blended into that drink.
On top or blended? How do you want that?
I'll take blended.
Blended. Okay.
And it comes with a topping called lychee jelly, which is like a fruity jelly. You could swap it for boba or any of the other ones, or not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
No toppings at all?
Correct.
Correct. No toppings at all.
And then for you?
Plain and boring. That's okay. He's like that. And then you said you like the peach kiwi. Is that what you said you like?
Yeah, I personally don't like kiwis, but my aunt, a lot of people, that's the thing.
I'll try that one. That one sounds actually really refreshing right now.
It actually, it's very refreshing. And if you want to just a sweetness,
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
would you like to adjust any parts of the sweetness? You can go anywhere from 0 to 100.
Different types of sweetness levels. Probably 80%. Yeah, 80% sounds good.
I'll put you for less ice and less sweet.
Okay, sounds good.
Can I get you to anything else? I have 2 drinks.
No, I think that'll be it.
Okay. And I take it you guys you're not local to here?
We're not what?
Are you local?
We're local, but I've never been here before.
Oh.
All right, you guys. Share tea. I got this peach kiwi tea with, I don't know how to pronounce it, jelly, but that's what it is.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
I don't know how to pronounce it, jelly. Look at, they actually have real fruit and everything in there. This is gonna be so yummy, I hope. AU jelly, I think he said. Yeah. Let's try it.
And this is strawberry.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah.
Wow. And Chad got the strawberry iced
Ice cream blended.
with lychee jelly.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh, no lychee, but it's supposed to be with lychee, but he's boring.
Yeah, I know.
How does it taste?
I was expecting like kind of like strawberry ice cream flavor, but it's actually just strawberry flavor.
Nice, real chunks of kiwi in there, and peach. I like this, really refreshing taste. Share Tea, must go to place when you come out here to Vegas. You guys, I give this whole rating of the Share Tea. I give it, wow, this is just a good place, a good day today.
Yeah.
I give it a 4.5 star. Very nice service. Really busy in there too. It seems very popular, so it seems like a really good place to go. But good tea to go to. Got a lot of action going on. Watch out, Chad.
Yeah, it tastes like actual strawberry.
Actual strawberries. Looks like they really blended up nice strawberries in there. What's your star rating on Share Tea? The whole place?
5.5. 5.5.
5.5.
All right.
1 to 5 stars, silly.
4.5.
Yeah. Gotta have the tea. Come on, babies. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, babies. There you are. The good boys. Are you good girls? Yeah. Yes. Yes. You think you want that? Huh? Yeah. See? Even doggy approved. Yeah. Woo.